ASV is a very hands-on operation. Everybody does a job and knows their job very well.
Having that cohesive unit helps working together ensures safety and quality and efficiency.
It's not just about any one given person in our department. We work together as a whole.
It takes a lot of people to work through all these processes, and everybody's got a part to play in the quality of the machines going out and making sure they're out and on time.
The customer is very, very important. Without a customer, your business, where would you be?
To make sure everybody gets the best loader possible is paying a lot of attention to the details to make a good quality machine.
When one of our customers receive the machine that they ordered from us and they look it over, I want them to say, dang, those are some really nice welds.
We do our very best to ensure that our customer gets the product that we would expect to get.
I just build like I'm building it for myself.
I take pride in hard work, quality, getting the job done.
There's a lot of hard workers here that make sure that this machine gets out done right and on time.
You come to work and to do the best job possible.
Integrity is a big thing for me. It means doing what you say you're going to do and doing what you say you're going to do when nobody's looking.
We do care about the little things. We do take the time and we put in the extra work to make our machines the best.
Our overall product quality, what these machines can do, what our research and development team has done, what our testing operators have put these things through, it's just amazing.
ASV, we just make the best machines out there, and there's a lot of competitors, but I just still think we're the best.